Hey guys, Ricardo here. Welcome to another Blog Tech Tips. And of course guys, today I have this special unboxing, and this one is of the WHOLE, the whole dashboard camera. And of course this is for security purposes in your car. This dashboard camera would basically be placed inside of your car, and it can be used to record what's taking place. And of course, you know, you can't be too secure nowadays in terms of going out. There might be accidents, and this might just be the difference between you be liable for a car crash or not. And of course, there are many other situations this might play out where the evidence from something like a dashboard cam can save you a lot of time and money. I want to thank the guys over at Wool for sending this over. They were nice enough to send over this product for a review. And what you can do, guys, is to show them some love, show this video and check out their products. And of course, guys, here we have, it says dashboard cam, and it does say Wool. And of course, you can see the package. It does say made in China. Alright guys, so let's get straight into it. Alright, so as you can see around here as well, this is the box. It does say made in China all over this. And of course, what I'm going to do is just open this up. This is a unboxing. The review will come later on. And of course, it comes with this small piece of paper right here. You do have this section right here, and it does show right here the camera. I'm gonna put this aside, take this out. You have the dashboard mount, and of course this is to stick to a surface like this. All right, next we have another mount. It does come with two mounts. All right, so next we do have this section right here. It's another mount, so you do have that flexibility. And of course right here it comes with this to power it. This will be placed inside of the cigarette holder, and of course it does deliver power by what seems to be micro USB. I'll not remove this from the packaging since it's a regular cable. And of course you can see the documentation in here, and of course the documentation, there are plenty. All right, there's also a regular USB to power, so it depends on the situation. You can choose either to power the device. It can be powered otherwise, like if you're around the house or computer or so on. All right, I'm gonna put that aside. Next, right here you can see the documentation. It does run you through the product and all the features. It does say Vorwort or something like that. I think that's because of a different language. Here as well you can see it says the preface, which run you through the product. It does look a lot like a digital camera. Open this up, it's quite small. Alright, so you can see the camera right here right now. Nice display, very small. Alright, we're going to look at the other side. As you can see here, it does have, it says FHD, which stands for full HD. There is the lens, quite nice. And of course there is the speaker right there, and on the side right over here you see a slot, and that slot is for a SD card. There's also a up, a down, a pause button, and an M for menu. And you do see over here the vents at the side. I like the lens, it does look quite nice. And of course it does have what seem to be adjustments at the side. I'm not sure if this turns. Well, it doesn't. It's just for design or the look. There's some quality control pass right there. So again, if you check this out, quite nice. And you see the sides. You do see the top as well for the USB and for HDMI out, and for mounting this on a dash. So this section would attach to one of these mounts right here, and you would have the perfect dashboard camera that can be powered and be used. All right, so far I'm liking this. The build quality is nice. It comes with what seems to be a metal outer housing, and of course there is the solid buttons at the side here, and of course the great lens at the front. Later on I'll have a full review. For now, this is just the unboxing of this device. There's a power button at the side here, and of course there's a built-in battery. So these are all the things that comes with this product here from the makers wool. And of course, I just want to say I'm looking forward to reviewing this product. And of course, guys, as usual, you can check out the full review over on the blog. I'll have a write-up on this product as well. And as I said, guys, as soon as we have the follow-up, I'll make sure that I run through the features, show you this thing powered up, and show you it will work in a car situation and how it can be powered directly and so on. So it should be an easy setup and easy functionality. Alright guys, it's Ricardo Gardner as usual from Blog Tech Tips saying bye until next time. Bye guys.